Hello grade 1 children. Today we'll be solving application book C worksheets. Okay, in that book we'll be solving worksheets. So I'll be sharing my screen. Yes. So chapter number 6, application book C, measurement. So in this book, application book C, okay, be ready with your application book C. Page number 1. Page number 1. Worksheet 6.1. A. Answer the following questions. We'll be solving this page. Okay. First, listen to me carefully. Which is taller, a giraffe or a goat? You all can see two pictures. One is of giraffe and the other one is of goat. So which one is taller? What is the answer? Giraffe. Yes, a giraffe is taller. Okay, and goat is short. Next one. Which is shorter? A 5-story building or a 1-floor house? You all can see in the picture, there is a 5-story building. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? And there is only one floor house. So which one is shorter? Yes, your answer is right. 1-floor house is shorter. Okay. Then the next one. Which is longer? A sari or a towel? So you can see picture of a sari. Two saris are there, right? And on the other picture, other side, there's a towel. So which one is longer? A sari or a towel? So tell, yes, a sari is longer. Okay. Fourth one, which is shorter? The wall of your classroom or the blackboard in your classroom? Now look at the picture. The wall is shorter or the blackboard is shorter? Yes, can you all see the picture? So in this picture, the blackboard is shorter, right? So the next one, which is heavier, a buffalo or a cat? So there's a buffalo and there's a cat. So which one is heavy? Buffalo is heavy, right? So now take out your pencil and write down the answers. So the first one, which is taller, a giraffe or a goat? So you will write giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe. Okay. To the next one, which is shorter, a 5-story building or a 1-floor house? So the answer is 1-floor house. Okay. Third one, which is longer, a sari or a towel? So the answer was a sari, right? So you'll write a sari. Fourth one, which is shorter, the wall of your classroom or the blackboard in your classroom? So what is the answer? Yes, the blackboard. Blackboard is shorter. Fine. Then the fifth one, which is heavier, a buffalo or a cat? Buffalo, right? A buffalo is heavier than the cat. Okay. So A is over, part A is over. Then the B part of the same worksheet, the same page. Okay. Fill in the blanks with more or less. So here 4 fill in the blanks are given. So you have to fill with more or less. Let's see one by one. Okay. the weight of your school bag is heavy, is dash than that the weight of your pencil box. I'll repeat. The weight of your school bag is dash than the weight of your pencil box. So when you carry a school bag with books, so it becomes heavy, right? And your pencil box is very light in weight. So the weight of your school bag is more than that of your pencil box. So what is the answer? More. Okay, M-O-R-E, more. Then the next one, the capacity of a mug is dash than the capacity of a bucket. We have seen the example of a bucket and a mug. So a bucket has more water, it has more capacity than the mug. So the capacity of a mug is less, right? So in mug, you'll fill less water, correct? So the capacity of mug is less than the capacity of a bucket. Fine. The third one, the length of a rod is dash than the length of a pencil. Now the rod is very long and the pencil is short, right? So the length of a rod is more than the length of a pencil. Okay. Then the fourth one, the capacity of a cup is dash than the capacity of a jug. The capacity of a cup, in cup you can fill only this much of water, right? Little water. Wherein in mug you can fill n number of cups, right? आप बहुत पानी या कुछ भी भर सकते हो जग में. So the answer is less. The capacity of a cup is less than the capacity of a jug. So B is also over. Now here comes the C. Pick the correct answer. A jug can hold 5 cups of water. A bottle can hold 3 cups of water. So you all can see two pictures. The first picture is of a jug which holds 5 cups of water, wherein there is another bottle over there. So it holds 3 cups of water. So which one has more capacity? The jug or the bottle? Jug, yes. So you'll put a tick mark for that jug. Okay. Then the next one, page number 2. Come to page number 2. Turn your page. So the D part is write B for big and S for small objects in each set. So there are 4 sets, right? So whichever is big, you'll have to write B in that box, and whichever object is small, you have to write S in that box. Okay, let's see one by one. So which one is big and which one is small? Yes, so this is a big ball and that green one is small ball. Okay. The next one, duck and sparrow. So which one is big and which one is small? The duck is big and that sparrow is small. So write D for that duck, and for that sparrow write S. Okay. The third one, there's a lion and a cat. There's a lion and a cat. So which one is big and which one is small? Lion is big and cat is small. So for that lion, write B, and for that cat, write S. Big and small. Fourth one, there's a fish and a shark. So which one is big and which one is small? The shark is big and that fish is small. Okay, so write B and S in that box. Then worksheet 6.2. Come on to page number 3. Okay. Worksheet 6.2 is tick the longer object and cross out the shorter object in each set. So different sets are given. So you have to compare and you have to write, you have to put a tick mark for the longer object and you have to put a cross mark for the shorter object. Now let us see one by one. So over here, there's a yellow color marker and there's a pen. Okay, so which is the longer object? Yes, the pen is longer and that marker is short. So you'll put a tick mark in that box for pen and you'll put a cross mark for that yellow color marker. Okay, understood? Then the next one, pencil. There's a longer pencil. See the first one, red and black color. That is a longer one. Wherein the blue color pencil is shorter one, right? So put a tick mark for that long pencil, that red and black color, and for that blue pencil, put a cross mark. Okay. Next one, there's a long ladder. There are two ladders. Which one is longer and which one is shorter? Yes, the first one is longer than the second one. So second one is shorter, right? So put a cross mark. So the first one is longer and the second one is shorter. So put tick mark for the first one and cross mark for the second ladder. Okay. Then there's a paintbrush, that small one, and there's a long one, right? So the first one is shorter and the second one is longer. Okay. So for the longer one, put a tick mark and for the shorter one, put a cross mark. Okay. Then there's a yellow color t-shirt and orange color t-shirt, right? So which one is long and which one is shorter? That orange one is longer and that yellow color t-shirt is shorter. So put a tick mark for that. So longer and shorter. Then the last one, there's a rope. You can see two ropes. Yes. So you have to put a tick mark for the longer one. Which one? The first one or the second one is longer? The first one is longer, right? So put a tick mark for that long rope and put a cross mark for that short rope. Okay, so what we did, we put a tick mark for the longer object and we have put a cross mark for that shorter object. Okay, so this is the end of the session, children. Bye. Take care. Thank you.